In this video, I'll show you how to install Git on Windows in just a couple of minutes. If you're a beginner and you've never used Git before, don't worry. I'll walk you through the complete installation and we'll also make sure Git is working correctly at the end. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Git for Windows. Open the official Git website and click on Download for Windows. The download should start automatically. Once the download is complete, open the installer. Now you'll see the Git setup window. For most beginners, the default options are perfectly fine, so you can simply click Next through the installation steps. You'll see options for the installation location, components, start menu folder, default editor, and several other settings. Unless you have a specific preference, leave these settings as default. Continue clicking Next and finally click Install. Wait a few seconds while Git is installed on your computer. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Now let's make sure Git was installed correctly. Open Git Bash from the Start menu. Type git -- version and press Enter. If you see a Git version number, that means Git has been installed successfully. You can also use Git directly from your terminal or from VS Code. And that's it. You have successfully installed Git on Windows and verified that it's working. In the next video, we'll install Node.js and npm, which you'll need for many modern web development projects. If you're following this beginner setup series, subscribe to Code with Lo-Fi so you don't miss the next tutorial.